January 17th, 1949. 70 years and 2 days before the shooting and production of this video, the very first Volkswagen Beetle, better known as the Type 1 at the time, came to the United States and was sold. Now 70 years and 2 days later, I give you the 2019 Volkswagen Beetle Final Edition Convertible. Now, in the 3 iterations of the Beetle over the last 70 years, we have seen lots of changes, and with each great change, there has been a final edition. Initially, it was the Ultima Edition, and then we had the Final Edition New Beetle, and now we have the 2019 Final Edition SEL Convertible. This is the last great Beetle. Now, I do have my hypotheses, and we'll get that to the end of the video, but I'm going to get into this Beetle convertible for you here that is exclusive and going to be the last of the great Beetles that you can buy here at Tomwood Volkswagen Indianapolis. That's right, Johnny R here for another one shot. This time, 2019 Beetle Final Edition SEL in pure white with a now Napa leather interior. And let's talk about these seats. These seats are exclusive to the Final Edition SEL only, and you have these in two-tone black and beige Napa leather seating surfaces. Now the technology in this car is up to standard with the rest of the line. You have the MIB2 infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and this also has in-car navigation. Now exclusive to the Beetle is what we call the Käferfach. That is your upper glove box here, which you can find in many of the modern Beetles today. That is a straight callback to the Beetles of previous time. Now, originally the Beetle, when it came out, it was an air-cooled flat engine, but now we have it under the front of the vehicle, direct injected turbocharged 2 liters of power, giving you 174 horsepower, 184 pound-feet of torque. Strapped to a 6-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle is going to get you great gas mileage, and it's going to fly down the road. As we get into the vehicle here, I'm going to show you how these seats are just so comfortable with the exclusive quilt stitching that you have here. It's like sitting on pillows. These are some of the most comfortable seats that the Volkswagen Bug has come out with, and I think they rival the Touareg, RIP Touareg. But as you can see here, the Beetle is exclusive in these colors with the interior, keyless entry, push-button start, dual-zone automatic climate control, heated seats up front, of course, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob. And as you can see here, you've got your classic Beetle dial setup with your larger inner circle and 2 of them on the side for your tachometer and fuel gauge respectively. Your Final Edition SEL does come with automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights and bi-xenon headlights, high beams, and you also have fog lights available as well. Now, you can also change some ambient lighting in this vehicle. You'll see here that we've got different colors, and you have different intensities. You have red, blue, and white. And when you change the colors of the interior lighting here, it actually changes the colors around the speakers and some of the lights underneath the dash and on the doors. This allows for a more customizable driving experience, especially at night. Now, when you got the top down, you've got plenty of space in the open air, and the top moves pretty quickly, opening and closing within seconds, with no manual operation whatsoever. All you do is you just press this button up here, and your top closes right down on you or opens right back up. So in the Final Edition SEL, you also get a couple of cool driver assist features. One of those includes Park Pilot, which that's what Volkswagen calls a park distance control system, which actually uses sensors around the bumper in order to detect obstacles that are close to you in parking situations. So what we have here is the latest, greatest Beetle. There are other Beetles to be had, but the Final Edition SEL Convertible that I'm sitting in right now is probably one of the most exclusive that you can find. The 2-tone seats, the convertible top, the pure white exterior. Now, there are some callback colors that we're going to be having here. The Stonewash Blue is one of them. And we also have actually a yellow one outside as well. Now, this wouldn't be an SEL, and it wouldn't be complete without the amazing Fender premium audio system, which is denoted by the A tweeter here. And we also have a subwoofer in the trunk. This vehicle here is one of the last Beetle convertibles to reach our dealership. So if you want one, just like that 2019 GTI Rabbit Edition, you're going to have to let me know, because when you need a car, you call Johnny R. And this 2019 Beetle Final Edition SEL convertible is already sold, but we have the pleasure of keeping it in our showroom until it is delivered. So if you want to come check this out, if you'd like to drive one, I do have one more. It's outside. See? There it is. You can come check this vehicle out. Exclusive to the Beetle Final Edition SEL and all Final Editions. We took the turbo badge off and now replaced it with Beetle, just so you know what you're getting. And you know what? All of them come standard turbocharged anyway, so that's not much of a brag now anyway. So as you can see, the 2019 Beetle Final Edition SEL is ready and at our dealership. When you want one, you give us a call. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.